Hang on, I gotta move it back.
Ooh, what is that?
Stuff from that. Anyways, hey guys. So, my nails are so bad right now because I haven't gotten done in forever. Ooh.
I don't know what it was.
Anyways, so we're at our favorite place, getting sushi.
Their sushi is really small right now.
Because it was lunch.
Like, what is that?
Because it was lunch. They usually like make everything big for dinner.
Oh yeah, you're right.
I know I'm right.
We got a lot of sushi on our plate though.
You're right.
So they might like update it now. I swear. Sushi is the best thing ever made. Oh, you can't even see mine.
Let's see.
What if you can't video on here? I said, what if you can't video on here?
I'm not videoing any of those, so I don't see why not.
Yeah, you're right.
I drink a lot when I'm eating. Like, I'll probably have 4 cups of water.
As soon as I smelled the lime, all I thought about were tacos. I was like, So you're on a napkin thing, so if you see us reach, that's what it is.
Yeah.
Oh my god, they're in a locally heavy crowd. I'm excited to watch this back. I freaking love watching seafood boils. Best thing in the world.
Crawdaddies. So we're gonna get crawdaddies
And crab legs.
crab legs, but the crab legs are cold, so they're not like
Good crack, but you know, we'll work with it.
There's stuff everywhere.
I wonder if they're gonna leave soon.
Look at my nails, guys. They're pretty. Basic. I'm just kidding.
Rusty right now.
Oh. So, today, Shane and Jeffrey, the video comes out today.
I already watched it.
Don't tell me anything about it.
I'm not. I watched it when you were.
Did you drop 2 videos?
When I was waiting on you. Only one. The other one's coming out tomorrow. They left us on like a cliffhanger again.
Real talk though. I think Shane's gonna be a TV producer or like on Netflix. He's gonna have a show there.
I mean, he's already done shows before.
I know, but he's gonna have like a show like this, like behind the scenes of like
Yeah.
YouTubers and
Definitely.
famous people.
Or YouTube on demand is definitely gonna ask him to do it.
I hope he doesn't do YouTube on demand. I hope he does Netflix or something big.
Yeah. Not that, because I mean, he's already had one of his movies on Netflix. So, if he can sign with them and do that, that'd be pretty cool.
Yeah. I think he should do it should be called Secret Life with Shane Dawson. And I think he should take Garrett. I think he should take Ryan. I should think he should
All them.
take all of them. Because YouTubers are getting screwed right now. Like big YouTubers.
I so badly want to know what's like the final part about Jeffrey's thing.
I haven't seen it so far yet.
No, it showed it in the very first one.
Oh yeah. But I still.
I'm not gonna say anything about this one. Cause like,
Was it good? Or
I
did he
seen-
begin the end?
huh?
Or did he just begin the end?
I think there's like one more part to it.
There is.
Yeah, but so it's just this one was kind of like the other ones. It wasn't really the end. The teaser at the end was the end, but other than that, it's just like the other ones, which wasn't bad.
I love how we eat fast.
I haven't stopped putting much of the cheese on.
Me either. I've been like talking.
Like you stopped for like a quick second. I looked at myself still eating. I thought you were midway.
Sorry, I had to turn so I could like see you, but still be in the camera.
I think this is probably my favorite sushi from here.
This one, yeah.
This one?
And the Polish crab component.
Oh, the one you want. Yeah. This one, real talk. The best place to get that is
This
the
is
Best
so
Thai.
soft. Sorry, that's why I'm not eating mine.
The best place to get that is Best Thai because it's so crunchy and so fresh.
I can't believe we start school in less than 5 days.
You're telling me. You don't gotta walk around to school.
I know, but we'll edit that out. Okay. Here. Oh, I don't know how to show that.
Please keep that in that.
I got the wrong big ball. Yeah, this is literally gonna be the trash pile.
But we're gonna hold our props up there. Okay. Why am I holding this? I'm not. You know what? I don't know what I'm gonna start with. Now you gotta keep the claws in it.
He's together.
Well, back to what we were saying. I'm gonna just go ahead and dive on it. And look, these are really hot. That was mine.
It's literally the same kind of crawfish.
I don't. Ooh, they're so like juicy.
He's together.
Well, back to what we were saying. I'm gonna just go ahead and dive on it. And look, these are really hot. That was mine.
It's literally the same kind of crawfish.
I don't. Ooh, they're so like juicy.
I think it was the Jeopardy.
So early.
No, it's the time where.
Let me tell y'all a story. And you, mostly you. What? So, we go to Royal Camp, right?
Okay.
For no reason. We were just bored.
Who?
Wasting
Who?
time. Me and Mom. So, she sees John Boy. You know. John Boy. I don't know. One of them.
Our cousin
His name
Pepper?
is John. No, because she went to school with.
Oh.
I would say not our cousin.
I was gonna say, our cousin, he's in Washington.
But,
And he tells Mom everything.
oh my god, these are just falling out. And apart.
I know.
I don't really like it. Anyways, so I need to sweep it. Sorry, I'm a mess.
Why do you think scoop it?
So I can pour this in it.
So you go.
Yeah.
Is that why you wanted the other ones?
Yeah.
Ew. No. I mean, we can try it.
I don't want to try it though.
I know. They're probably just bigger ones too.
And I don't like these a lot.
I love these.
They're slimy.
That's because they were in the stuff. Usually you get them on top. These are so good. Anyways, what were we talking about?
My mom.
No.
Okay, so I've used so many napkins. So we were in the store, right? And she's like, oh hey, and so apparently he thought that my mom's like talked about him to me and acted like I knew him. So I rolled with it, acted like I knew him.
Yeah.
Had a whole good 30-minute conversation with this dude.
Was it cute? You butt
You
ugly?
remind me of Dad. I don't know why, but the whole vibe. I just thought I was talking to my dad.
Ow.
But like, so, ooh, this one's just like falling apart. But afterwards, we walk away, and he walks like, and I looked at her and I went, "Who was that?" And she was like, "John?" And I was like, "Who? Do I know her?" Because he acted like I did. She was like, "Probably not." But they're having lunch tomorrow.
They are?
Yeah.
That's weird.
They didn't invite me. They're friends.
Is he graduated? Or he's an old fart?
guy.
Okay. This whole time I thought you were talking about like a teenager. So
No.
like,
Because then I would have been like, how do you know my mom? Then why are we having a conversation with you?
yeah. That's why I was like not following you.
That's so sweet.
That better?
No, not the butter.
My eye just rolled.
The head.
Did I get it on you?
Get it on my arm.
I got it on my face.
Sometimes I hate freezing cold crab.
Just because we're used to it.
Just because we're used to nice, warm, hot crab.
Yeah. Our parents usually boil our crabs.
Which is the most world, which your mother needs to do.
You got money?
No,
Crab's
we'll
so
find a way.
expensive.
No. We can dream.
That's why we come here.
And dip it in nice hot butter.
That was a show.
Have you ever watched a seafood boil mukbang? Yeah, okay. The girl
I love when they
watched-
do like the big Alaskan,
The
like,
king crab?
the king- I'm like,
I've been
it's so
craving
good.
crab just from watching B Loves.
He loves.
What's her subscriber?
And she like when she eats, she's like, and she doesn't care that's on her hands and everything.
Yes, and she'll
She goes
dip it in her sauce and she's like,
Oh yeah, she goes like in.
let me tell you, that girl,
And that's what you hear. I'm like, stop. You're making me hungry.
well, she munches. She does a lot of snacking for a reason. Like, that's what her channel's about.
Oh yeah.
Her ASMR with her son, he can't take any of it serious.
Like
I wanted to
love
break
hearing
this
that.
tiny ball so I could just like. Who did I see do that with their thing? And I was like, oh my god, did she just eat it?
No, I want this one.
I'm childish.
Give me
Wow. Oh my god, that's what it was.
What was
I
that
was watching.
Your face is like,
Because this girl, she sucks. This is the head.
oh, and she like cracks the head.
And she goes, open her mouth, and I was like, sorry, but I can't do that.
The head stuff's good.
But I'm not gonna stick this whole thing in my mouth.
Do it.
Stop it. No,
Do it.
no,
Do it for the YouTube.
no.
The little eyes are staring at me. Who said that?
Oh my god, I dare you.
Oh,
to eat
PJ.
an eye.
You know how many eyes you've eaten? You know how much poop you've eaten?
Well, I know there's a lot, but like,
Listen. Hang on, I'm gonna do something with
eat
this
one of these eyes. Oh, did you eat the other ball?
one. Ready, guys? What was your...
They know. They saw what happened. You don't need to. They sold it.
So these people next to us left. And so now I can get into my food. It was like,
Okay, so the story about that, the guy just kept staring at us. So I was trying to figure out where to put that. If I could show
look.
how much juice is underneath my right arm right now.
That's good. Squirtless. That's good. I don't know why I've never tried that, but that's good.
I love lime and crab, or like lemon and crab. Summer, help me. Like when I say there's so much juice going on me, I mean it's literally just juice.
Why is it? Were you just laying your arm in it?
Yeah.
Or were you just like going in?
Both.
Like this arm?
Well, this stuff right here is just pure like water at the top. Each time I've been cracking the top of them.
Oh, it's good. I feel like they're aggressively like talking about us. Like, there's something else.
No, I feel like they're trying to rush us. Like, you gave us our thing early. That was your fault.
Yeah, just because we were sitting there, like, letting the food settle.
Like, it's a buffet.
Like, wait.
You just stuff your face.
Move. Wait. Oh, I had that one for my thing. You got any more juice on you? Oh my god. This is why I don't break up. Look at this. There's so many napkins. Are you eating the rest of that?
Yes.
Alright, I'm setting this right here. We're gonna get more. We don't eat like this all the time. That's why we're like going in because it's kind of expensive. Not really, but I gave up with those long pieces because like this is a long piece. You want it?
Why are you giving up
Because
more pieces?
I just it's not good crab, so I'm just like
Let me dip this for you. Let me get you some good crab.
That's really good. Although I gotta cut up my lip right
Wipe me
here.
down. Me too.
It was burning.
Right here?
When you put that line, I was like, take a look at
Mine's like a scratch, but it's like. Can you see it? It's right here in the middle.
on top. Yeah, it's like red.
Yeah.
All the way down. What happened?
It's a red strip.
No.
I don't have an answer.
Oh.
I woke up like it, so probably.
Okay.
I'm gonna leave all of this here.
And we're gonna go to another. What are we going for?
I was just gonna ask you something.
I kind of want to go for more crab daddies.
I want more crab.
You go. Thank you. You get more crab, and I'll get more crab daddies.
Yeah, call daddies. And then we got
We got these things.
some more.
We are 100% not gonna like them cold. We got lemons. I see them squirt lemons on them. I don't know if I'm gonna like this.
Aren't these muscle?
Kind of. She's brushing on us. It's so rude. What? Vagina? Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Just say it on the camera. Who cares?
I'm not eating that.
Eat it. You're eating it with me. You're taking a bite. That's just like the other ones. Okay, I'm gonna try this little piece. But you gotta try it.
Okay, I'll do the little piece.
I did this little piece attached here.
Oh my god, this is literally making me have like a panic attack. It looks so disgusting.
Okay, well, I don't know how people.
Okay. I'm just gonna dip this in some butter. And then I'm just gonna lime it on up.
I can't. You stuck the whole thing in your mouth?
It's that same part.
This is very seafoody. I can't. Ooh. There's just a hole in it. Don't look at it.
Oh no, I already did it. I tried drinking it. Let me tell you. Put some of this in your mouth afterwards, you break. Perfectly fine. None ever happened. This is the quarter one. This is the more warmer one.
So far now, bro.
Well, it doesn't really matter now.
We're such a mess.
I got you 2 claws and me 2 claws.
I'm only gonna eat the claws. I might eat like the bigger parts, like this
So
part.
do you just want the claws?
Yeah.
I only get them because I like playing with them.
Yeah, I only get the claws.
Put a paper towel right here, and I'll put your claws out. They can't see my crackle. Fresh plate over. That's not your claw, obviously. Look how big this thing is.
Just sit them like this.
I want so badly the king crab legs.
Me and my mom had king crab when we went on our thing. It was good. Okay, it's not what it's hyped up to be. It tastes just like a regular crab,
But they're ginormous.
but they're huge. That's the only thing. People are like, their tastes are way different. Their different way different. It's not.
I've never heard anyone
They're
say
more
that,
fishy.
that it was like a different taste. I've just heard people say like they're ginormous.
That's it.
The one girl said that like she had cooked her for so long, like because she was boiling it. It had to be so long. But she was like, it was so worth it. And she spent like $200
On one little thing. Yeah.
But like
We
the
only
size
got
she
a
got
leg.
was huge.
And it was expensive.
Oh,
I don't eat all day.
oh yeah.
But like, I kind of threw it on the last minute today.
Well, that, but I also didn't eat really anything today. I just had the
I was about to eat a full one up.
what are those things called?
Gizzards.
Yeah,
Who went in there and ordered those for you?
I did.
You did? What did you tell them?
Can I get a half pound of gizzards?
Oh, I was gonna say, probably said, can I have found these?
You want this really good piece?
Yeah.
Let me get it all good for you, nice and juicy. I thought that was your phone.
My mom? Or
No,
this one?
no.
Do you want some?
Yeah, I've just really been.
Going ham on that.
You're gonna eat shrimp right now? Or are you just being nice and pull it for me?
I'm gonna pull it for you.
Best shrimp ever is when it's nice and warm.
My mom's kind of shrimp that she makes.
Yeah.
Yeah, other than
Someone
that,
was scared. They lost half of their tail. Their tail was about to fall off.
yeah, because these ones are one annoying to pill. Not gonna lie.
I like
That's
the
why-
like smaller ones.
That's why mom and Dakota, like, they put it under their bodies and it heats them up. It's good.
What I do? Too much effort though. But your mom like sits there and peels Dakota's for him.
What? Did you crab on me? What? I was like, what are you laughing at? Alright, ready guys? Oh wait. Has it got to your thighs yet? Oh my god!
Only my thighs, not on my arms anymore.
Next time I should bring my hand sanitizer.
No, next time you
afterwards.
should bring me a bit. Like a whole bodysuit.
Did you put a thing on Max?
It's big on him. And so it wouldn't stay on him without him trying to eat it and falling. So I was like,
Where'd you put it on?
I didn't put it on anything.
It was just sitting in your room.
It's gonna bubble tea. That's for his dog. My brother's so dumb. Oh, hey, I have a question. That I was supposed to ask you a while ago.
What?
Wasn't that long.
Can I take Max? No.
No.
Okay.
Can you babysit
Yeah?
my child? Maybe Max if Max is still with us.
When?
25th.
For?
Uncle Timmy's wedding. Because I don't think we'll be coming home. I think we're staying down there.
At y'all's house?
Yeah.
Oh,
so
you're fine. You're fine.
I didn't say it.
You're fine. The 25th? You guys are leaving. You guys are leaving.
Let me tell you how awkward she felt.
It was.
I mean, you could stay at our house.
Overnight? Oh, yeah. House party.
You and the dogs. Just you and the dogs.
I'm just playing. I think I called something out for the 25th. Not for what. When is that? Pull up the calendar.
Not this Saturday, but not this Saturday. This Saturday is the 11th. Next Saturday is the 18th.
Okay.
So the Saturday after.
I don't know. I think I called some. I feel like I have something to do that day. I honestly feel like it's Paige's baby shower. But I think it's the 20th. Hold on. I don't remember. Kind of cool.
Really?
But I'm kind of not.
I'm gonna go with him.
I can see.
I'm enjoying every bit too. I bet the people who are gonna watch this are gonna be like, oh my god, she can eat. And she hasn't stopped. You know what? I don't even know what that is.
Oh, I thought this was Girls Like You. I was like, get off the song.
I thought it was Adam Levine.
I don't think it is.
It's not. I thought it was. Let me tell you how non-ready I am for your school.
For my school?
For my school.
Well, why did you say your school?
I said, let me tell you how non-ready I am for my school.
You said your school.
Listen, Summer, I don't care what I said.
Remember 1609, third video? Because I'm going to go back and listen to this.
Blade.
Crap. Like, this crap. Here.
It's a whole line. It's a trail.
I don't have anything on me.
You're also too not sticking your face in it.
No, you're on camera. You can tell you're deprived of food.
I thought I've been waiting for this moment all my life.
For like 2 weeks. Begging me to go here.
It's been a month.
Really? I don't think so.
Yeah, it's been a
I
month.
love how we don't invite what's her name anymore.
Mika's too busy doing her own thing.
I was stirring forever.
I talked to her about Max, but her friend ended up getting another dog, so I was like, can you wait me?
Yes.
No, places here like to close early. We're not gonna be there. Where are you like shopping at?
I think Bevel's and TJ Maxx, I think.
Oh.
Yeah, so not like mall stores.
Up here or
Yes. Around here, that's the thing. So you're fine. Are you getting ice cream? I really want more crawdaddies this year.
Since you want me to get up with you, don't isn't it?
No, not that. I don't know.
Your YouTube channel's gonna learn. You're messing up my view.
Oh. Where's that from? Oh. I was like, where's that from?
But your YouTube channel's gonna learn
What?
how to eat. They're gonna be like,
This is how you go to a buffet.
if I had nails, this would be so much easier. But I got both in there.
If you had nails that have already been there for a while, because it's hard, because my nails kind of hurt.
Oh yeah. Your nails are brand. You see this? It's just.
Didn't think that through, did you?
No.
Is it still on the crab shelf? Yeah. Now go. Just go. You gotta go this side.
That's so cute. Oh my god, my hand.
Still going great. Thank you.
It's right over top of my phone. Okay, if that spills.
Oh, clog.
Oh yeah, otherwise I'm gonna get copyrighted.
Ew, are you gonna show me?
What? Yeah. I'm working on it as we speak.
Speak.
Uh-huh.
This? It's coffee ice cream, by the way. So good.
Too bad they have kiwi. I got kiwi and put kiwi on top.
Kiwi ice cream? Wait.
Sorry, my brain stopped. I don't know what I'm talking about.
I know. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh, that was sour.
Yeah, sour.
Cute.
You're gonna say me?
Do you want another piece? I didn't see it. I'm gonna eat more completely by myself. I literally only got this row for me. And I was like, okay, Miranda's gonna want some kiwi, and she's gonna steal mine, and I'm gonna be very upset. I got more.
I ate one kiwi this entire time. I'm definitely watching this video in the car. It's only 5 minutes.
6 minutes.
Okay, now it is 6 minutes. It was 5 when I said it. Doctor basically told me I had bad eyesight today. In the nicest way.
What's that?
Like, she was on the chart, right? And she's over here like this. Can you see it? I'm like, no.
No.
No. No.
Am I supposed to be able to see that? B? That's a T.
Literally, the row that I was doing, I got one wrong on this side. This side, I got them all right. I completely guessed all of them. And this one, I copied what I said over here, except for the one letter, because I was like, I don't know if that's an F. It was a D. And I looked at my mom and I was like, look, like this. I said
Literally a
D, and mom goes, I was like, oh. That was horrible.
Whose phone was that?
Not ours. What's his name?
Kristen?
Him.
Oh, I don't know his name.
Oh my god, I felt so
You guys
good.
only call him officer.
Uppers.
No. I've never heard that in my life.
I only call them uppers. Or help. Or
I've
officer.
never. Yeah, I was gonna say I never.
I came into this buffet Slim fat. I'm walking out with fat.
I thought you were gonna say something, so I was like, yeah, same. I said something. I was like, mood.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, this hurts.
Look, the same woman said I was pregnant. You know your foot went up here. It's tight.
No, you know you fat. Your pants are undone right now.
You did the room. I'm walking out with them undone too. This is ASMR. Can you stop crunching? Oh, you should have done that later.
Wow, a little bit better.
Damn, clean this table. That's my fortune.
Ooh, that was so weird.
Looking at it.
So fat.
Wait.
I'm editing this part out. Okay. Eat your cookie. Eat your cookie, right?
Don't make me feel stupid.
Is that what it says?
No. Me as a cookie.
Don't make me feel stupid, but I don't got a force for you today.
Okay, ready? Relationships is like fingers of you hand. One cannot do one. I think it meant your, but I had to tell me. Relationships is like fingers of you hand. One cannot do much.
So you have to have a bunch of relationships.
It just told me to be a hoe.
Anyways, okay.
Oh, just to prove to y'all. Okay, this lady just walked over and brushed me, and I was getting annoyed. Relationships is like fingers. Two.
Right.
You, hand, one cannot do. I'm closing that. Okay,
mine is
I'm supposed to be a hoe.
make serious decisions in the last few days of the month.
What are you gonna do in the last few days of the
I don't know, but I gotta do something.
You'll be in school. Ew.
Maybe someone's gonna ask me out and I gotta know if I'm gonna go out with them or not.
That's not a serious question.
That's a serious decision. That's a life decision.
Is it like 2 or 3 people?
Yes. Okay. Anyways, guys.
Wait, it's not letting me focus. It's only
Alright.
unfortunate it's
Anyways.
not told.
Bye, guys. Thank you for joining us.